So sometimes we scroll a little bit too hard on Facebook Marketplace, and it makes us do things we wouldn't normally do. Well, to be honest, this is something I would normally do. What? I can't pass up on a good deal. Let's talk about what I got. God is everything. Without God, I'm nothing. I have here a 4P, I can't think of what it's called, GMB 200, right? Mini bike. As you see, it does not have an engine on it. Why doesn't it have an engine? The engine is right here, right? Little small pep squeak little PP engine, right? Does it work? I actually got it for like 10 bucks. I paid 100 bucks for the mini bike, and the guy said, hey, the engine needs a coil. If you want the engine, I'll let you get it for 10 bucks. I said, hey, that'll help me get the engine running. So I bought the engine for 10 bucks, and the coil was actually broken off. And I tried to weld it back, but this is not like, it's not, how can I say this? It's not actual metal. It's kind of like a, I don't even know what you want to call this material, but it's not metal. Let me just say that. You can't weld to it. It won't weld. So I tried to weld it back, and I said, hey, well, let me just take my losses on that one. Took an L on it. The engine is here, but I kept it just in case I needed some parts off of it or something. So decided to say, let me go to Facebook Marketplace and see what they got on Facebook Marketplace. Looked on Facebook Marketplace. There was one engine that I was interested in. The person didn't respond, as a lot of people on Facebook Marketplace normally does. What got on YouTube, and that's where I messed up at. And that's how we got here in the first place. But I got back on YouTube and I said, hey, what motor swaps can I do? Because I don't want to go back with a 79cc. Got on YouTube, I seen a lot of people doing the 212 swaps. I seen a few guys doing the 224s, but they said the 224s were a bit of a reach. So I said, we'll go 212. I don't want to get too crazy in the beginning. This is my first mini bike. So got that bad boy, got that 212, and just noticing I'm still missing more parts from this mini bike. But I paid 100 bucks for it. I know I'm looking at it now. I need a brake thing to stop it, so I won't be able to stop. I'm glad I saw that before I got on this thing and started going fast. That's neither here nor there. So I said, hey, I'm gonna get the engine from Harbor Freight. Looked it up. It was like 140 something. I'm like, that'd be like 150. I'm like, I don't know if I want to do that or not. Then I said, let me give the people something that's worth watching. I gave the mini bike a name, which is Hank, and we got an engine for it. Thing is, engine doesn't fit. You can put another small engine on it, but you can't put a big engine on it. So what we're about to do is just make sure that the engine works and just kind of figure out how we're gonna put things together, because I'm waiting on the engine plate to get here. But we're gonna fire this thing up. I'm just curious to hear what it sounds like, and yeah, we're gonna get it ready to go on. So when whatever comes in, supposed to come in tomorrow, we'll get this thing and we're gonna start making some content with this thing, man. We're gonna give y'all some different content. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about the mini bike content. Thumbs up, thumbs down, let me know. So what we have here is a no-name engine that came straight from eBay that I've already opened the box, and I have to put oil and gas in it to get it running. But here's a nice view of the engine. It's a 212. I'm gonna show y'all how horribly it fits on the bike real quick. So I was hoping this would just line up, but unfortunately for me, it doesn't. Pull this up, and the chain is on this side, so it would sit like this. But because of a few things, one being the muffler and the other being, I'm thinking, the gas tank. Because the chain has to be on this side, so it has to be able to go in here. So definitely got to figure something out with the muffler. I think I'm gonna try to run the old muffler for now until I can get a muffler that runs out of the back. Throw the old muffler on, and then maybe the gas tank will fit. I mean, if the gas tank fits, I may leave it on, but the muffler 100% has to come off. But this is a 7.5 cc, and it's a 212, and we finna put oil and gas in it and see how good it runs. Hopefully it's like my Honda. My Honda engine fires up like it ain't nothing. So let's get to it. We just got oil in it. I'm gonna put a little gas in it. I done spilled oil all over the spot where my wife parked at. She might be a little upset, but we gonna put some gas in this baby, and we're gonna see if this thing start up with a couple of pulls. Got the gas right here. Oh, missing. gonna fill this thing all the way up because I don't know how good it is and I don't want to question it. Oh hell. You scared to be on camera? Oh hell. You wanna do the first start up on Hank? Huh? You don't wanna do it? Y'all, my wife acting shy. I know y'all done seen her on the channel. She acting shy though. Gas is on, choke is on. I wanna turn the throttle up just a little bit. Pull this baby. Baby got some power. Alright, she runs. She runs. She runs good. I pulled it twice and she fired up for me. We scraped the bottom up pretty good on that one. We might have turned that off just in time. But yeah, y'all see, it runs good. Now the only solution is getting it to fit in here the right way. Let me see one more time, because I got a motor plate coming in. So this baby has to fit, lined up accordingly. Be nice if I could just throw it right in like this. But we do have a few clearance problems. One seems to be not necessarily the one seems to be the air filter. Might have to modify the air filter. Let me see something here. Pull the air filter off. Still got something hidden. And the muffler. But I'm thinking we can make that air filter work. I mean, we can make the muffler work. The air filter might be an issue though. See, that's about where the hose gonna line up at on it. Yeah. So it's gonna be close over this way, the engine is. So that's about where it's gonna sit at. Hopefully my motor plate got some kind of adjustment in it. That's gonna be the deal breaker. So if I can use this bigger gas tank, it's gonna be a game changer. And if I can use this motor plate, which hopefully the motor plate will let me slide forward, and then I don't think this will be an issue. Slipping all in that oil. So we're gonna have to see tomorrow once the engine plate comes in. Have to go forward. But yeah, mini bike content coming in hot. Y'all hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know how you feel about the mini bike content. Just a quick video, nothing too long, nothing too crazy. I just want to hear this thing run for the first time, and hey, I wanted y'all to hear it with me. So motor plate coming in tomorrow. Still got to get this has a bigger clutch, or bigger thing for the clutch. So definitely gonna have to get a bigger clutch, because this is a lot smaller than that one. So I got to get a clutch. I think a new sprocket, I believe. I don't know what kind of sprocket this is. You got to figure out all the throttle stuff, because I don't know how to do any of that. Got to figure something out for the brake, ground, kill switch, all that stuff. We should be in the game, man. Hit that like button, subscribe, hype this video. PullsTv gone.